Okay. With the go investigation, let's see the progress we've made so far. Because Nigerian people says I'm a madman, I'm a poor man. How are you, bro? These people not here today, they close? They don't sell no more, what? Why are they closed? Why are they closed? Sister, good evening. How are you?
Hello.
You coming here to eat? Make sure you don't go here to eat. Their license gets violated every month for lack of hygiene, lack of disability access, lack of ventilation, lack of restroom. They don't have the system to make payments. They want to take your cash and take it to Africa. I locked down that place. I told them to go back to Africa. This is America. We don't need that finessing shit. You know? If you're gonna be in America, my father's land, you have to be upright. Take your scam back to Africa. We don't need all that. We're passing through a lot.
All right now. Have a good one.
Mama, are you Africa or America?
I'm American.
Okay, me too, I'm America. Papa, how much? Where's Muhammad?
American.
Okay, me, I'm American, but not African. Where's Muhammad? Okay, how much? How much? Huh? What?
What's the question?
How much is this? $3? I don't have money. Can you give me? I'm a brother. I'm a Muslim brother. I'm a Muslim brother. Can I have it for free, please?
Don't give me your phone. I don't have phone.
I don't have green card. No, this is police phone. I work for police. I'm a snitch. Okay, Papa, right here. Thank you. Mohammed back to Egypt? Okay. You guys should not eat over there because she's very dairy, and when they suspend her license for violation, she starts selling food behind. I've closed her shop and revoked her green card and deported her to Africa. We don't need anybody fucking our Beneca up. You understand? Yeah. Yes. Magati, come outside. Come outside. You said I'm nobody. I've closed down Jerry.